Well, welcome back to the hangar. It's November. It's a beautiful day. I'm still working on the engine removal. Chewy's out here with me today. She's been a pretty good dog. She's not supposed to be running around without a leash on, but I think we're good for right now. She's fairly well behaved in terms of coming back. The hangar is a mess, but not a mess, if you know what I mean. I kind of got every tool that I own here, and the purpose of that is to try and fix these two Willys vehicles that I've been working on or playing with for, I don't know, 15 years or something like that. But today's challenge is this flex plate here, which needs to be shimmed or replaced. And since my budget doesn't allow for replacement of parts, I'm going to, and the reason it needs to be shimmed is that the starter has always clashed, and we're not sure if this tooth count is the 168 teeth is the standard, I believe, and that's what this is, and it may not be the correct flex plate for this small block Chevy, which is an LS. Fundamentally, my Willys has been hot rodded years ago, and like an idiot, I destroyed the paperwork that would have told me. But it looks to me like this guy was a hot rodder, and so I've decided to shim this with washers, which I've turned down on the lathe to the correct dimension for the washer, I hope. And then I've held the bolts in with little pieces of thread, and that'll just accommodate me installing it, which is about to try and happen right now. So we shall see.